BMW's Executive Express is going electric with the mid-size 2024 i5 sedan, which will fill the gap between the 10 best award-winning i4 and the extra-premium i7 flagship. Like those two EV4 doors, the i5 is expected to blend driving pleasure with upscale creature comforts. Two powertrains are coming, starting with a rear-drive xDrive 40 model with 335 horsepower. The dual-motor M60 xDrive boosts horsepower to a stout 590 ponies and provides all-wheel drive traction. We had a chance to drive a prototype of the latter in France and came away impressed with its athleticism and satisfied with its onboard technology features. The i5 faces a growing number of medium-sized luxury electric cars made to court moneyed buyers looking for eco-friendly choices. Among them are the Genesis electrified G80 and the Mercedes-Benz EQE, as well as segment stalwarts such as the Porsche Taycan and the Tesla Model S. What's new for 2024? Debuting alongside a brand new generation of the gasoline-powered 5 Series, the i5 provides an EV option for those shopping BMW's mid-size sedan lineup. We expect to see it in BMW showrooms before the end of 2023. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2024 BMW i5 starts at $67,795 and goes up to $85,095 depending on the trim and options. If you're looking to maximize range, the xDrive 40 will be able to sail on for a bit longer than the performance-oriented M60 trim. We're driving enthusiasts though, and we'd gladly trade a bit of range for extra horsepower and cornering grip. EV motor, power, and performance 2i5 models are offered, starting with the 335 HP xDrive 40, which drives the rear wheels via a single electric motor. A hotter M60 xDrive model adds a second electric motor on the front axle for a combined 590 GP. During our initial drive in an i5 M60 prototype, we were impressed by the sedan's agile handling, confidence-inspiring levels of cornering grip, and muscular dual-motor powertrain. A test drive of production models in Portugal reaffirmed those driving impressions and gave us a chance to appreciate the i5's refined ride over the area's pockmarked pavement too. While there, we drove both the xDrive 40 and M60 models, and we estimate that the more powerful of the two powertrains can rocket the i5 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds. M60 models also come with active anti-roll bars, a sporty suspension tune, wider tires, and rear-wheel steering, which are all intended to give the car a more athletic feel. Range, charging, and battery life. An 84.3 kWh battery pack lies beneath the i5's floorboards, which BMW says holds enough charge to power the xDrive 40 model for 295 miles between charges. The dual-motor M60 model is less efficient and carries an estimated range of 256 miles per charge. The car's battery pack can be hooked up to DC fast charging stations and is said to be capable of charging from 10 to 80% in 30 minutes on such a connection. Speaking of charging, BMW will include 3 years of free 30-minute charging sessions at Electrify America charging stations with every new i5, fuel economy, and real-world MPG. According to the EPA, the most efficient i5 model is the xDrive 40, which is rated as high as 105 mpge highway. On the other end of the spectrum is the M60 xDrive, which is rated for only 86 mpg highway. When we get a chance, we'll take the i5 on our 75 MP highway fuel economy route and update this story with test results. For more information about the 5 Series of fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior comfort and cargo. The i5's cabin is just as spacious and posh as that of the gasoline-powered 5 Series. The battery doesn't intrude on cabin space, but trunk space is slightly less generous here than in the 5 Series. Leather upholstery is still available, but BMW is launching a new faux leather upholstery called Veganza in the i5. A set of glass interior controls is also available and adds a classy touch to the sedan's cabin. Heated and ventilated front seats with massage are optional on the xDrive 40 and standard on the M60 xDrive. Infotainment and connectivity. The i5's dashboard is dominated by a large curved panel that incorporates a 12.3-inch digital gauge display as well as a 14.9-inch infotainment touchscreen. BMW's latest xDrive 8.5 interface is easy to use and can be updated via over-the-air updates should the need arise for that. A head-up display is optional, but all models come with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, in-dash navigation, a wireless smartphone charging pad, a Harman Kardon stereo system, and an onboard Wi-Fi hotspot. Safety and driver assistance features. The i5 offers the expected driver assistance features as standard, including automated emergency braking and blind spot monitoring, but more advanced features, including BMW's Highway Assistant hands-free driving mode, are optional. For more information about the i5's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety (E2S) websites. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist available, adaptive cruise control with hands-free driving mode, anti-lock brakes. ABS brakes automatically sense when a tire has stopped rotating under extreme braking and will modulate the brake pressure to allow the tire to rotate. This increases the vehicle's ability to turn while braking. Stability control. Stability control automatically senses when the vehicle's handling limits have been exceeded and reduces engine power and/or applies select brakes to help prevent the driver from losing control of the vehicle. Front impact airbags. Front impact airbags for the driver and passenger have been designed to protect the head during a frontal crash. Side impact airbags for the front seats have been designed to protect the torso during a side impact collision. Overhead airbags. Overhead airbags are used to protect the occupants' heads in the event of a side collision or rollover. Pretensioners. Seatbelt pretensioners automatically tighten seatbelts to place the occupant in the optimal seating position during a collision. Security system. The vehicle is equipped with a means of anticipating and/or detecting unwanted vehicle intrusion. The vehicle is equipped with an ignition disable device that will prevent the engine from starting if the correct original manufacturer key is not used. Warranty and maintenance coverage. The i5 comes standard with the same warranty coverage as BMW's other electrified models, which means basic coverage for 4 years or 50,000 miles and more generous protection for the electric vehicle components. All new BMWs also come with a 3-year complimentary maintenance plan. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles EV components. Warranty covers 8 years or 100,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance is covered for 3 years or 36,000 miles.